Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Asante Kotoko just beat Legon City's 1-0 at the Crossbar Stadium, and it looks as if it's one of our best performances because I was very pleased with the performance the boys put out, and I'm pleased with the results. The changes the coach made, at first I questioned the changes, but it turned out that everything worked perfectly, and we won this game 1-0 here at the Crossbar Stadium. The goal was scored by Fabugama. Augustine Okra tried to claim that goal, but his leg didn't touch the ball as he entered into the post. So the goal was given to Fabugama, and it ended in a 1-0 win for Asante Kotoko. So I'm pleased with the performance overall. I think in the second half we played very well. We have learned how to preserve game and not make mistakes in the second half, like to concede late goals, and that is one of the positives I can get from today's game. Mariano Berto has done well to teach the guys how to preserve game, not to be nervous at the end of the game, and also try to make the boys believe they can win every game. Habib Mohammed was good today, Mudasiru was good, Abdul Ghani was good. Who again? Yusuf Mubarak was also good. Christopher Nate came in place of Samuel Frimpong and played very well. I'm very pleased with the overall performance. The boys played very well. It was a very good game, and I'm very happy. I even got the Kotoko flag, so that in the next video it will be on the wall. So I got the Kotoko flag. I'm really happy with the performance. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, please do that right now and hit that notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.